Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. By goods, we mean physical, tangible objects used to satisfy people's wants and needs. The term goods should be contrasted with the term services, which captures the intangible satisfaction of wants and needs. As compared to food items and clothes, which are example of goods, we can think of the tasks that doctors and teachers perform for us as example of services. By resource, we mean those goods and services which are used to produce other goods and services. Example, land, labor, tools and machinery, etc. By an allocation of the resources, we mean how much of which resource is devoted to the production of each of the goods and services. The compatibility of production and consumption of goods and services holds for a country or even for the entire world. The scarce resources of economy have competing usages. In other words, every society has to decide on how to use its scarce resources. Every economy faces the problems of allocating the scarce resources to production of different possible goods and services, and of distributing the produced goods and services among the individuals within the economy. The allocation of scarce resources and the distribution of the final goods and services are the central problems of any economy. The collection of all possible combinations of the goods and services that can be produced from a given amount of resources and a given stock of technological knowledge is called the production possibility set of the economy. The curve gives us the maximum amount of goods or services that can be produced in the economy for any given amount of alternative goods or services, and vice versa, is called the production possibility frontier. There is always a cost of having a little more of one good, in terms of the amount of the other goods that has to be foregone. This is known as the opportunity cost of an additional unit of the goods. In centrally planned economy, the government or the central authority plans all the important activities in the economy. In a market system, all goods or services come with a price, which is mutually agreed upon by the buyers and sellers, at which the exchanges take place. The price reflects on an average the society's valuation of the respective good or service. The positive and the normative issues involved in the study of the central economic problems are very closely related to each other, and a proper understanding of one is not possible in isolation to the other. Microeconomics sees the individual's role in the economics and the price change aspects in relation with the economic activities in the market, and the microeconomics tries to see the aggregate of the output and production and its processes at a whole in the market.